Hey guys, welcome back to Living Trends. We all keep buying something or the other for our homes, be it decor items or kitchen products or so on. But still, we all would love to know what our friends buy and how good they are, isn't it? Now, assuming that you guys consider me as your friend, here I am today to share with you all about few items that I bought online. I did not buy these products all at a time, but bought them over a period of time, used them multiple times, and now will share with you if they are good enough to buy. So, let's get started. I bought this meditating baby Buddha decor item with smoke backflow from Flipkart. It is a unique piece and gives a cozy feeling to your living room decor. It creates an illusion of a smoky waterfall. Comes with a pack of incense cones. Place the incense cone on top of the waterfall and the smoke starts to flow in reverse direction, giving us the feel of a smoky waterfall. I find it very soothing and calming looking at it and having my morning drinks. So, if you have plans of buying it, go ahead, you will like it. I bought these string lights with USB for decoration purpose during Diwali and it served the purpose well. Durable and not very expensive. You may go for it. These are stainless steel straws which I bought from Amazon. It's a pack of 2. It has 4 straight straws and 4 bent ones. Comes with 2 cleaning brushes. Quality is superb. It's dishwasher safe and worth every penny. I've been using it since 4 months. You can certainly go for it. It's really nice. This is a hand blender from the brand Scarlett that I bought during lockdown for my baking needs. Not a very sturdy product, but a decent one. Very basic model, not expensive, very much affordable. It's working fine for me, no issues as yet. You can go for it. These are ceramic bowls from the brand Himalayan Goods Company. Set of 2 in teal green. I like the color very much. The design is nice and it has a smooth finish. Nice ones, except for one bowl that had few black spots inside, and also the finishing at the bottom of the bowl is not all that satisfactory. These are lovely tea light candle holders from Flipkart and I just love them so much. The packaging was good and the product is awesome. Comes with 2 tea light candles. Very good decor item. If you guys have plans of buying, just go ahead. don't think. It's really nice. This is a set of two self-adhesive stainless steel utensil holder. You can use it in the kitchen or bathroom. Quality is great, very durable and affordable. No drilling is required. Comes with self-adhesive strips. Just peel the back cover and stick it to the walls. That's it. Holds good amount of weight. You can certainly go for it. This is a sink caddy from Amazon to organize the cleaning stuff near the sink. I bought it in a sale and it is really very good. The quality and finish of the product is excellent. Thumbs up to this product. If you have plans of buying it, please go ahead. You will like it. This is a vegetable chopper that I bought from Flipkart during a sale and got it at a real steal deal price. Color is very attractive, but somehow I didn't find it very effective. Not quite satisfied with the chopping of veggies. I mean, I feel I am faster and better than this chopper. Didn't find it any helpful for me. It's my say on this, guys. I saw some people saying this is nice, but for me, I didn't find it any helpful. This is again a ceramic bowl that I bought from Flipkart during a sale. It is a handmade product and microwave safe. My favorite color and I love it so much. Very smooth finish and beautiful looking. Thumbs up from my end. These are a set of 3 water bottles from the brand Belcopia with flip cap. Beautiful colors, food grade premium plastic and BPA free. I bought them basically for their lovely colors and flip cap. You can certainly give it a try. Again a ceramic bowl that I bought from Amazon. I heard you saying too many ceramic bowls. No, it's never enough as for the ceramic ware is concerned, isn't it? I like this one so much. Pretty color and it's from the brand Elementary. I love Elementary products for their uniqueness. I mean, it has nice finish and certainly thumbs up to this one. Spice jars that I bought from Amazon. A set of 6 glass jars with metal cap and the quality and look of the product is awesome, guys. Believe me, it's really nice. I bought these for storing spices in my kitchen. Really impressed with the quality. It comes in a well secured packing also, and my say on this is certainly you can go for it. Real good ones. This is an all-clad tri-ply tussler from the brand Valeria. Size is 22 centimeters. Quality is really outstanding, guys. The food doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan while cooking on medium flame. It is sturdier and durable. Finish is great. 22 centimeters is enough to cook for 3 to 4 people. And tri-ply steel is a healthy cookware option. Just go for it if you want to. You will certainly love it. These are my absolute favorite items. Storage bins for garlic, onion and potatoes from the brand Elementary. I instantly fell in love with these items. So good in terms of quality and looks. It's an asset to your kitchen, I would say. Really nice. The wooden lid adds to the beauty of the product. So strong and classy too. As I have mentioned already, I love Elementary products and this one is a must buy product, I would say. Big thumbs up to this. This is the onion storage bin. You can buy them as a set or separately as per your choice. I mean, if you just need the garlic storage bin, you can just buy that. And this is for potatoes, the larger one in the set. Looks beautiful, isn't it? I love it so much. It's my favorite. Go for it, guys. It's a must-buy product, I would say. And I really hope you like this content, guys, and if yes, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Means a lot to me. Also hit the bell icon for notification on my further videos. Until I see you in my next video, this is Babita signing off. It's one life, live it up.